In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the straps of your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Now, removing it is fairly simple. You're just going to turn your watch over so that the face faces down. Then from here, you should be able to see these two buttons or at the back of the watch. Now, what you want to do is simply just press on that button like so as you pull out the strap itself. So press down on the button, pull out the strap, and you should hear a snapping sound as you successfully remove the strap from the watch itself. You can do the same thing on the other end, just press down on the button like so and just pull out the strap. And then once it's successfully come out, you should be able to see now the straps are completely separate from the watch itself. You can go ahead and get a set of other straps that you'd prefer to use, or if you just wanted to clean them, you can go ahead and do so easily. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.